In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download a plagiarism report from Grammarly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to save a clean, shareable PDF that includes your plagiarism results. First, head to appgrammarly.com in your browser and log in. Once you are in, open the document you want to check. You can pick it from your dashboard and let the editor load fully so all tools are available. Make sure you are working on the correct version of your text, because the report will reflect whatever is currently in the document. Next, start the plagiarism scan. Look to the bottom right corner of the editor where you'll see a row of icons. Click the plagiarism checker icon there. This runs your text against billions of web pages and the ProQuest academic databases to flag text that appears elsewhere. Keep in mind, plagiarism checking is typically part of paid plans premium, business, or education. If you don't see the icon, your account may not include this feature, and you'll need access to one of those plans to proceed. Let the scan finish completely before moving on. You'll see Grammarly work through your document and display results as it finds matches. This step is crucial. If you try to download the report before the scan has finished, the plagiarism section won't appear in the PDF. Give it a moment, especially for longer documents or slower connections, and wait until the results panel clearly shows the findings. When the check is done, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the overall score icon. This opens a summary panel with options related to your document from that menu. Select Download PDF Report. This will generate a detailed PDF that includes your document's overall writing score as well as the plagiarism findings, typically the percentage of matched text, matched sources, and relevant highlights. Choose a familiar folder on your device and save the file with a clear name so you can find it later. After saving, open the PDF to confirm the plagiarism section is present. If, for any reason, the plagiarism data is missing, return to your document, ensure the plagiarism scan has fully completed, and then download the PDF report again. This report is perfect for record keeping, sharing with instructors or teammates, or attaching to submissions that require proof of originality. That's it. Thanks for watching.